Welcome to AGORACOM Talks, your weekly go-to source for the best small-cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007.
Okay, today we're really hitting the ground running. No fluff. We're diving straight into the results, the hard data, the headlines you need to see from resources and BioPharma, stuff that warrants a closer look.
Absolutely. Let's jump right in with BioPharma. Quantum BioPharma, that's QNTM on the NASDAQ. Big news headline here. Health Canada clears Quantum BioPharma's Clarity, opening a new consumer path for energy and cognitive support.
Yeah, and the key takeaway here, I mean, the really tangible thing, is that product license, 801444141, it's approved.
Okay, so what does that mean practically?
It means they can sell.
Right
now. In Canada, it's immediate commercial access. This isn't just some future plan. It's a real shift. Gives them a near-term commercial angle alongside their, longer pharma research.
And the product itself, Clarity, the claims sound pretty compelling. Energy, metabolism, cognitive performance. But how significant is this really? Is this consumer product going to meaningfully fund their big pharma pipeline?
Well, that's the core question for investors, isn't it? The CEO, Sishan Saeed, framed it as a milestone. Look, the revenue might start small, but it's strategic value. It's about non-dilutive funding.
Ah, okay. So less reliance on selling stock.
Exactly. Any cash flow Clarity generates helps fund that expensive R&D without diluting current shareholders.
Wow.
It actually de-risks their whole long-term pharma play. It's quite strategic, really.
Right, got it. So QNTM gets validation via regulation. Now let's pivot to resources. Different kind of validation needed there, proving what's in the ground.
Sure.
We've got Magma Silver, MGMA on the TSXV.
Yep, Magma Silver, big news out of Peru, their Niñobamba project. Headline: Magma Silver's Niñobamba project returns strong early results, setting stage for next phase.
Strong early results. What are we talking about specifically? Give us the numbers.
Okay, so phase 1 exploration, they sampled historic workings. 5 samples average, get this, 5.32 grams per ton gold and 4.81 ounces per ton silver.
Oh, 5.32 gold. That's pretty high grade, isn't it?
Oh, definitely, especially with that silver kicker.
Yeah.
And those were just averages. They hit highs up to 14.56 grams per ton gold and 10.59 ounces per ton silver.
Okay, serious numbers.
Right. And the CEO, Stephen Barley, basically said, these results confirm the old Newmont data, and in some cases, beat it. That geological thumbs up is what really paves the way for phase 2, and they're talking drilling in Q4.
So confirmation leading to expansion. Okay, one more update, also in resources, but moving further along the chain. Great Atlantic Resources, GR on the TSXV.
Yeah, Great Atlantic. Headline: Great Atlantic initiates bulk sample program at Golden Promise property in central Newfoundland.
Golden Promise. They already have a resource there, don't they?
They do, and it's a rich one. Inferred resource. 357,500 tons, creating a really impressive 10.4 grams per ton gold. That's about 120,000 inferred ounces.
So why the bulk sample now? What's the goal?
It's the next logical step. They need to see if that high grade holds up when you mine a larger chunk. We're talking up to 2,700 tons. It's about testing the consistency, the minability on a bigger scale.
And they're using some interesting tech here. Novamera's surgical mining system. Sounds precise.
It really is. Think of it less like traditional blasting and digging and more like, surgery. It's this high-tech digital approach to target just the narrow, high-grade veins.
Minimizing waste rock, maximizing the good stuff.
Exactly. Less dilution, less environmental impact, hopefully better economics. It's about using smart technology on a known high-grade resource, a big step from just exploration towards potential development.
Sticking with that high-grade theme then, and staying in Peru, Highlander Silver. The TSX symbol is HSLV. They've expanded their Bonita vein system. More high-grade drill results. What's the key detail here investors should focus on?
I'd say it's the combination of width and grade plus location. Look at hole BODA 013.
Okay.
They hit 24.8 meters, I think almost 25 meters wide, grading 7.43 grams per ton gold and about 16.5 grams silver.
25 meters wide, that's substantial.
It's a massive intercept, and crucially, it's confirmed as near-surface mineralization. That makes a huge difference to potential mining economics.
Right, easier to get to.
Exactly. It really strengthens the case for maybe an open pit type operation down the road, and it extends the known mineralization further southeast, building ounces near surface.
Got it. Okay, final update takes us north, Yukon. A different kind of drilling success story here. Banyan Gold, BYN, on the TSXV. They intersected high-grade gold at their Powerline deposit. Now, they talk about infill drilling. Can you quickly explain what that is and why it matters for Banyan's strategy?
Sure, infill drilling isn't really about finding brand new gold zones, it's about increasing the confidence in the gold you've already outlined.
Okay.
You drill between existing holes to confirm the continuity and grade, essentially turning lower confidence inferred or indicated resources into higher confidence measured or indicated resources, or even reserves. It proves the gold is where you think it is, and at the grade you think it is.
So it firms up the research estimate.
Precisely. And for Banyan, this is critical. Their big goal is to define a very large resource, think 5 million ounces or more, averaging over 1 gram per ton gold. Success in infill, like in hole AX25-660. What were those numbers?
That one returned 1.85 grams per ton gold over 26.9 meters. And within that, there was a richer zone. 5.91 grams per ton gold over 3.5 meters.
Nice kicker.
Yeah. Results like this directly support that 5 million ounce plus target. It helps them convert what might have been modeled as waste rock inside their pit shell into actual ore. Hitting that 5 million ounce threshold, particularly above 1 gram, often gets the attention of major mining companies looking for acquisitions.
Makes sense.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. You've got Quantum QNTM getting immediate market access through regulatory clearance.
Right, a de-risking event on the commercial side.
Then you have Magma, MGMA, getting that crucial high-grade geological validation in the ground.
Confirming the potential, setting up for more drilling, de-risking the geology.
And Great Atlantic, GR, already past initial resource definition, now testing operations in innovative tech to potentially unlock the value.
Yeah, moving towards operational validation, you could say, using tech to optimize extraction.
So, a real mix of pathways. Regulatory, geological, technological. Interesting snapshot. Let's leave you, the listener, with a thought. We just talked about Great Atlantic using Novamera surgical mining on a known high-grade resource. Does that kind of precision tech fundamentally change the economics for these smaller high-grade deposits? Could it make them viable much faster or more profitable than traditional methods might allow? Something to think about.